Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's go with something new. Let's check plagiarism using Grammarly. So yeah guys, that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to your Grammarly and then log in with your account and you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now, what you're gonna do is just go to this Grammarly option, and if you have already these documents, you can choose from here or you can go to new and upload one. So let me just go with the one of these, like okay, let me just go with this one. And then so this is my text, just a simple text. So how you can check is on your right hand side, on all the way down, there is the option plagiarism check. So you can just click on it and it will automatically start checking the plagiarism if there is any. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you check the plagiarism in Grammarly. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. And also comment if you have any queries. Till then, stay safe guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.